What up, YouTube? It's Kiki and I'm back at it with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey boo! For today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face using only testers from Sephora. So first things first, I am going to take off the makeup that I have already on.
Maybe I should have done it with this. This is like terrible. The baby oil from my house takes it off easy.
So I have a whole bag of products I have never used before. I started with this moisturizer that was in the table. And I already sanitized it or whatever. So I'm gonna just, how much is this?
Oh, it comes out like a flower.
Ew. This is moisturizer. This is the Lala whipped cream for 10. Now I'm going in with the photo finish primer from Smashbox. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is in the shade Chocolate. Using this to clean my eyebrows with the Tarte concealer. Now I'm going with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the color Tahoe. So clearly a little goes a long way with the Tarte concealer, whatever, because I look like the mask right now. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Banana Setting Powder. What the fuck? Sanitizing the brush so I can take out this powder. Using alcohol. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Counter Mocha.
Stay mocha.
Stay mocha. So I'm going in with Wild Child from the Norina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm going with the Better Than Sex waterproof eyeliner. The Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I'm gonna use this booty instead. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I'm going in with Fire Crystal. That is pretty much it. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Grassy Balm in Fussy. I'm gonna use this fake eyeshadow brush to put it on. What the fuck? Yo, it got stuck in there. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Oh my god, this is not working out. Now to finish it off, I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and share. And if you guys liked any of the products that I tried out, let me know down in the comments below so I can buy them and I can give you a full review on my next video.